Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So today we have come to the mothership. We're at Ikea, but the queue is something else. So Fraser's done the chivalrous thing. He's went out and actually waited in the queue for us, and then we're going to go out when it gets kind of closer to the front because it's too busy at the moment. But we're here for a few things. We got Charlie the, I don't know what it's called, is it maybe, it's not the Calyx, it's the Hemnes I think the name is. Nice. The Hemnes bed, but we got like a single mattress from like another store. Ikea, that is right. And the mattress doesn't fit Ikea beds, so it's like it's like that much wider. No. So the drawers don't properly close. No, Mummy. It is. Ikea. It is an Ikea, but your mattress is too big. So we need to go and get the actual Ikea mattress. Secondly, we need to get some kind of storage for in our wardrobes. I've moaned about our wardrobes probably since we moved into the house. Hello. They are big, they're big wardrobes, but the storage space, it literally is like two small rails. We've not got much space for folded t-shirts and stuff, so I need to get some drawers that are going to fit inside my wardrobe, and also some boxes for the top shelf, and I'm going to do the same with their stuff as well. So hopefully it means we'll get more storage and actually stop feeling like our clothes are all on top of each other, because I feel like sometimes I can't actually see all the stuff I've got because it's all just too enclosed. It's everything's so squished together. Everything's so squished together. This is Charlie's new thing, can you tell? Anyway, so we're going to go just now. We're going to go over and get some stuff. I thought it'd be good to show you what's new in, but the mask thing's not going to work. So what we'll do is we'll cut off here, and they're going to go into the queue with him and then go into the store, and I'll just do like little video pans around the store and then voice over it. I feel like that'll be much better than hearing my voice on one of these muffled face masks. So let's go. So let's go! Let's go! So the first section we come to in Ikea is the kitchenware. So they had little kitchen setups going on, and I did see these on Instagram. Someone actually made over their whole fridge. I can't remember the account now, but basically these little glass storage boxes or little jars with lids were amazing for putting things like fruit in and things that will spoil because they actually have a vacuum seal around them. I also like this little oven mitt. Something nice about that, it's just very simple and effective. Typical Ikea. And then this big massive soup pot just gave me all the autumnal feels. I actually regret not getting this. It's also got the measurements inside, which I thought was really effective. Something less to look at or less to look out. And I've also got these little bowls here. Now these would be great for either storing bits and bobs like keys in and stuff, or you could use the big huge one as a fruit bowl, a snack bowl, a popcorn bowl, whatever. And then moving on into the living spaces, I really love this nest of tables. I love how industrial that kind of black steel and glass looks. It's very, very effective. And then the other thing I noticed is the sofa selection is unbelievable at the moment. There's so many. I remember Ikea used to just be for very occasional living, but not now. Look at those, they're gorgeous. I've seen these beautiful, I think these are Chester back seats. I'm almost certain that's what they're called, but they're absolutely gorgeous. How nice would these be in a nursery, especially with the accompanying footstool that Ella's trying to lift at the moment. I love the grey, I think that's my favourite. And of course I could not resist but showing you some of the Christmas new in pieces. I love the tones they've used actually. That olive green's gorgeous, and these cushions are so striking. I think they're beautiful. I really liked how they used this pole and then covered it with wallpaper to create a different edge in that room. It's a great idea. I honestly challenge anyone to tell me that they don't have a piece of Ikea cutlery or tableware or a glass, because everyone has one piece at least, and they've got such gorgeous sets at the moment in there. I really like that kind of ornate cutlery set that was there a second ago, and this little room setup was just so dreamy. The kids loved it in here. They said that they were the king and the queen and I was the cook, so no change there. I absolutely love these little armchairs. How great is that for £129? The blue is stunning as well, but we don't have a kind of room for that. So I've seen this one here, this really nice sort of icy white with the black legs. It was £175, so a bit more expensive for that one, but it's really nice, and the grey is also gorgeous in there. And then moving on into the rooms, I love how they do these sections. I love that inbuilt bookcase. A bookcase is dreamy. I love them so much. And we actually did end up getting one of these glass bottles for milk. And also the biscuits, they're back. You know it's Christmas when the Ikea ginger thin tin changes. That was a bit of a tongue twister. These acrylic chairs were great for £65, I thought, if you've got a dressing room or you just want to create more space in your dining room. I thought they were a fantastic buy. I love to take inspiration from the Ikea room setups, and these doors remind me so much of the doors that we've got in our bedroom now because we painted them, and I love how all these tones work well together, all those nice warm beiges. This ottoman was great, it was £179 I think, but it looked great for storage. And of course we had to have a look at the toys because the Christmas lists are already starting in our house. Ella was having a Britney moment here. And looking over at the kids' stuff, it's just so cute and dinky, isn't it? What I really do like though, every time I go in, is this little kind of wall-mounted doll's house. I think it's an ingenious idea. And then moving on into storage, these are amazing for storing your toys. I actually wanted to get one, but we had too much already in the basket, so next time we're definitely getting a storage box. And I've seen this down in the kind of market stall bit, so it's all different salts, totally random, but that is IKEA. We also got a mattress protector and also a new mattress when we were in, and I'll show you here. This is a waterproof one, so ideal if you've got young children or if you just want to make sure when they're going into having no nappies at night that they don't ruin the mattress. It's a great way to save the mattress getting spoiled. That was £15. And I love this rug. It's new in, as you can see on the tickets. The rugs they have are amazing, but that was only £29 for that size, and then £45 for the larger size, which is amazing value. That's a 120 by 230 centimetre one. And we also got this. So this is a mirrored wall cabinet for our bathroom. We actually got the bigger one, so it's the God Morgan range. And this little light I loved. I really want to bring more brass into the house, but we'll wait just now. I really like it though because you can wall mount it too. And then we did get this. So this mirror here, I'm so glad I went for the smaller size. Usually in IKEA, I go a bit crazy and think that my house is the same size as the warehouse. So I ended up getting this one up at the top for £45 for our main bathroom, and it is absolutely gorgeous. And then moving on, I was looking at some shelving, but we never had any in stock. And how cute, they've got a Sally dog, this is what we call it in our house, but they've got a huge Sally dog now, which I think is so adorable, and a good range of little Christmassy seats. I think that is just such a good setup. Look at all the colours, it's just making me so excited for Christmas. But guys, that is where our IKEA Come Shop With Me ends. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. I have filmed an entire haul for you, so stay tuned to my channel and subscribe if you're new so you don't miss that coming up this week. I have given you a little sneak preview of my basket here and all the things I got, so many good pieces, so stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.